Be ready. Start. At the annual general meeting of the Tea Association, the Honorable Chairman said, "Ladies and gentlemen, as is usual in such cases, I suggest that the report be taken as read. When we meet here about this time last year, the tea trade was in a very depressed condition, but it is a matter for satisfaction that there is a decided improvement at present. In present day condition, during the last few years, the board of directors have had very grave concern about the future, but I am very glad to hear that we have turned the corner, and I feel sure you will recognize that as a result of last year's business, the situation has materially changed and there is a distinct change for the better. I would like to point out that the year under review has been one of hard work, and you may take it from me that steady progress has been maintained. The directors and the staff have throughout worked shoulder to shoulder. There can be no two opinions about it. May I say a word at this stage about the staff? I would strongly urge an increase in their salary for the favorable consideration of the directors. I should like to draw attention to the fact that they have had to work on low pay for many years past, and I have heard complaints from certain quarters that in many cases the salaries are below the minimum wage that have been offered, as well as all know the cost of living has gone up during the past few months, and sufficient grounds exist for the belief that it is difficult to maintain a decent standard of living with the present level of prices, which have gone up with very few expectations. I should like in conclusion to congratulate all concerned on the exciting circumstances, although I have a few other points to deal with. I think it would be much better to leave them to be fully discussed at a later period, when I intend to take stock of conditions past, present, and future in the industrial world. The subjects that will be brought forward for discussion at the next meeting will be intimated to you in the course of time for your advance information. Let me offer you my grateful thanks for attending this meeting and wish you all a very happy new year. Stop.